In this video, we will learn about variables in Python. What are variables, how we can easily create it. So Python variables are basically reserved memory locations and they never work like variables in Java, C, C++. Because it is dynamically typed, you don't need to do any extra work of using int, float, char and other types. Okay, so variables are basically containers for storing data values. That means whenever you'll assign a value to a variable, it gets created. Okay, so you don't need to type int a, float a, char or any other type in Python for creating and assigning a value to a variable. Let's see an example. So we'll be showing an example on PyCharm ID. For that, go to PyCharm ID, click on file, click on new project. Here and I'll uncheck this because this is a simple example. Click on create. Before that, you can change the name of the project. Let's say I'll type it to Python variables. Click on create. Okay, so here is our project. Right click, create a new file, create a new Python file. I'll give it a name demo. After pressing enter, it will directly create a new demo.py file. That is the file name, that is the file extension for Python file is .py. Press enter. Now you can see we have created demo.py. Now let us quickly create an example for variables. So herein you can see we have declared three variables. This is an integer variable with an int value. This is a string variable. And the third one is also an integer variable. So this is different from C, C++. In C, C++ we used to write int a is equal to 10. Okay, like float b is equal to 5.5 like this. But in Python this is not required. So it is dynamically typed, right? Easy to use. Now I'll just right click here and click on run demo. But before that, let us print. I'll just print the variables. Okay. I'll right click and click on run demo. Here you can see we have printed it. So now guys, this is fine, right? Fine to write. A is of int type, B is of string type and C is of int type again. Okay, so this is how we create variables in Python. So guys, in this video we saw what are variables in Python, why it is important, how we can easily create it in Python, why it is easy to create a variable in Python than in Java, C, C++. Thank you for watching the video.